Namaste. Today we are going to practice Yoga Nidra, a scientific way to relax your mind and body, to create awareness of your body, to feel the consciousness. Let us begin. Yoga Nidra should be practiced to attain mental and physical relaxation, as well as it also can be done for emotional and spiritual upliftment. I am Vivek Ranavre, life coach and corporate hypnotist. Today I am going to guide you in this wonderful journey of Yoga Nidra, which also can be termed as a guided meditation for relaxing your mind and body. Let us begin. Find a comfortable position, a place where you will be undisturbed. Select a place, lie down on a yoga mat or maybe a light, any soft cloth. Please don't practice this on the bed, as there is a subconscious message. You may tend to sleep. Lie down in Shavasana. Keep your clothing loose. If there is any tightening object on your body like watch, specs, waist belt, etc., kindly loosen it or remove. Keep it aside. Close your eyes. Adjust your body. Keep each and every part of your body loose, limp and relaxed. Just take care that each and every part is relaxed. No stress in any of your body part. Keep a distance of 1.5 feet between your legs. Place your both the arms besides your body, facing the palm towards the sky. Keep your eyes closed. For next 30 minutes, make sure that you are awake, you are following my instruction. Just flow with my instruction. The best part of Yoga Nidra is you don't have to do anything, just to focus on my voice. Let us begin this beautiful journey of scientific Yoga Nidra. Keeping your eyes closed, just focus on my voice. Just be aware of the very far away sound. Just keep your attention and awareness on the sound coming in your surrounding, the most distant sound. Shift your awareness to the next sound, and then to the next sound, and to this next sound. Listen to this sound in your surrounding. Maybe outside your room, maybe outside in the society. Just listen to that voice or listen to that sound. Don't hold on. Just listen and move to the another sound. Keeping your eyes closed. Just see the place, the building, the house in which you are in Shavasana. See the outer view of that bungalow, building, See the aerial view. Just feel each and every body part. See that you are lying down on the mat in the Shavasana. See it from your mental eyes. You are very peacefully lying down on this mat. Just feel each and every touch of your body with either the clothes, the mat, the surface. Just feel that touch. This is opening your each and every sensation. You have listened to the sound, you have seen your building, your body in the room, you are feeling the touch of your body with different objects or clothes or the floor and the mat. Now just focus on your breath. Just focus on your breath. Feel the air coming in when you inhale and just feel the air when you exhale. It's a normal breathing pattern. You just have to observe your breathing pattern unchanged. Don't have to change anything. Just observe your breath. The inhale air temperature is little bit lower, and when you exhale the air temperature is little bit higher. Just feel the difference of temperature. Very nice. Focus on your breath and relax. You are going to be aware and you are always going to listen to my voice. You are going to follow each and every instruction throughout this Yoga Nidra journey. When I will ask you to open your eyes at the end of the session, you will open your eyes. Now, moving ahead. You have to take a sankalpa, an intention during this Yoga Nidra. What is your purpose? Just say it in your subconscious mind. Repeat the frame of the sentence. Maybe it is a one or two sentence. It should be an affirmative sentence in the present tense. Whatever is your near future purpose or intention, your sankalpa, just visualize it positively, say it in one or two sentences affirmatively in a positive present tense way. Repeat the affirmative statement. It is your sankalpa, it's the goal which you want to achieve in near future. Now, you are going to focus on each and every body part as per my instructions and directions. You are not going to go ahead or be left out behind in my instructions. You are just going to focus each and every part which I direct. Now we are starting from your left leg. Keeping your eyes closed, just visualize, just imagine, just see your left toes. The first toe, just be aware about it. You don't have to shake your body, move your body. You are going to be very still throughout this Yoga Nidra journey. It is going to be a guided meditation kind of thing. Just follow my instruction. Focus on the left leg first toe, the second toe, left leg third toe, the fourth and the last. Just be aware about your left foot, the inside, the sole of the foot, the heel, left leg heel, left leg ankle, left leg calf muscle, your left leg knee, your left leg thighs, left side of the head, left side of the waist, left side of your back, left side of the abdomen area, left side of the navel area, left side of your chest, left side shoulder, left arm, left armpit, left elbow, left forearm, left wrist, left palm, your left thumb, your left hand index finger, your left hand middle finger, the ring finger and your left hand little finger, your left hand. Now take your awareness, your attention, your focus to the right leg toes. Right leg first toe, right leg second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the last one. Right foot, right leg, inner foot, the sole, right leg heel, right leg ankle, right leg calf muscle, right leg knee, your right leg thigh muscles, your right hip, right side waist, right side of the abdomen area, right side of the navel area, right side of the chest, right side of the back, your right shoulder, your right arm, your right armpit, your right hand elbow, your right hand forearm, your right hand waist, your right hand palm, your right hand index finger, your right hand thumb, your right hand middle finger, your right hand ring finger, your right hand little finger, your neck, your back of the neck, throat area, the lower jaw, your chin, your lower lips, your upper lips, the right chin, cheek, the left cheek, your right nostril, your left nostril, your nose, right eye, right eyelids, right eyebrow, left eye, left eyelids, left eyebrow, right side of the forehead, left side of the forehead, right ear, left ear, your complete forehead, upper part of your head, right part of the head, left part of the head, back of your head, your complete physical body. Just be aware, just scan right from the tip of your toes to the top of your head. Just scan your body from the tip of your both leg toes up to the abdomen region. Just scan your body right from the waist, both of the shoulders. Scan your body, both of your arms, both the hands, from your shoulders to the top of your head. Just scan your body. Now observe your movement in the body. Your abdomen region is in a rhythmic movement. Your lungs have a rhythmic movement. Your chest has a rhythmic movement. Just see it, observe it, keep your eyes closed. Just feel the air coming in and going out. There is a sort of small noise. Just focus on the sound of your breath. Just feel the air coming in and going out. Now you are going to count down from 40 down to 0. You are going to count in the reverse order mentally. I am not going to count, you are going to count. I am going to be silent for this. Starting from 40 to 0. When you breathe in, you will say 40. When you exhale, you will say 39. Again you breathe in 38. You exhale, it is going to be 37. Just now start. It's a normal breathing pattern. Keep counting. people and giving them love and blessing. And now this golden light is still expanding beyond your known circle and reaching to all the people in the society in which you live, in the area you live, in the city, in the state where you live. The heart originating from your heart, this golden light is reaching to each and every person in your state, giving them love and blessing. And now it still further expands to the whole country. Each and every person, each and every living being in the country is receiving that light originated from your heart, this beautiful golden light, giving them blessing and love. This golden light still further expands and goes to the whole universe. Each and every living being on the universe receives this love and blessing through this golden light. You are touching each and every aspects of this universe. You are sharing, you are giving this blessing and love. And now this golden light is coming back from the universe towards you. It goes in your body, it goes in your heart again. The whole universe is blessing you, is showering love on you. This golden light is coming back from the whole country, showering blessing and love on your body, you and your heart. The whole state is giving you blessing and love through this light coming back from the whole country and the state, going back in your heart. Each and every known and unknown person living in your city is blessing you back. This golden light is showering love. This golden light is returning back to your heart. Each and every friend, relative, neighbor, working associate, your colleague, everybody is passing this light from their heart to your heart. You are receiving this blessing and love from all known and unknown people. Each and every member of your family is giving back you this light, golden light. Indeed, they are showering blessing and love on you. The light is coming back in your heart. Focus on your breath. Focus on the rhythmic pattern. Focus on your breath. Just observe the emotions within you. Just pick that emotion. Look for the other opposite side of that emotion. At the same time, don't hold on to any emotion. If it is love, just see the opposite of love, which is hatred. If it is peace, the opposite of peace, disturbance. Whatever comes in your mind, just observe that emotion and again see the opposite of that emotion. Keep watching. Keep feeling that emotion and the opposite one. Like a Sakshi Bhav, just witness the opposite emotions. Just feel one emotion and the opposite of that emotion with a witness, as a Sakshi Bhav. Very good. Now you are going to visualize whatever object I say, whatever the thing I utter. Just focus on my voice. When you have closed your eyes, you see the black curtain in front of your eyelids. It is called Chidakash. Just focus on the Chidakash, the dark black curtain like thing. Now, whatever object I say, you're going to visualize it in this Chidakash. Rose flower, rose plant, garden, whispering birds, flying birds, sky, clouds, mountain, waterfall, trees, clouds, aeroplane, parachute, crops, bullock cart, car, building, bungalow, people, crowd, festival, gold, silver, diamond, clothes, temple, God, prasad, blessings. You are very happy. Now you are going to repeat your sankalpa which you had taken in the initial part of Yoga Nidra. Repeat the same sankalpa, the same intention, in the positive phrase, affirmative phrase. Repeat it twice or thrice. In the present tense, what is your near future goal? Repeat it. Focus on your breath. Focus on your breath. And now move your awareness to the body movements. There is a movement in your lungs, the abdominal area, the chest area. Just feel the movement in the body. See how relaxed you are in Shavasana. Very much relaxed. Just feel the weight of your body. Enjoying the state. Now see that you are in Shavasana in your room. Just feel the surrounding environment in your room. Just be aware about the surrounding, the sound in the room. Just observe your room, your house. Listen to the sound in the surrounding area. Just be aware about the surrounding. Now slightly you are going to move your body parts and I am going to guide you. Be aware of your body parts, starting from your right leg, all the 5 toes, your foot, heel, ankle, calf muscle, right knee, right thigh, right hip. Slightly you are going to move your right leg. Slightly you are going to move your right leg. Now focus on your left toes, left leg toes, all the 5 toes, the foot, the heel, the ankle, the left calf muscle, left knee, left thigh, the left hip area. Slightly move your left leg. Slightly move your right and left leg. Both the legs slightly. None of the other parts of the body. Only both of your legs. Just move it slightly. Very nice. Now the abdomen area, the navel part, the back, the chest, both the shoulders. Slightly move. Now your right hand, arm, armpit, elbow, forearm, waist, palm, all the fingers. Now move your right hand slightly, not too hard, slightly. Now the left arm, your left hand, armpit, elbow, forearm, waist, palm, fingers. Move it slightly. Now move both of your hands, both the legs, the abdomen, chest, the shoulders. Move it. Now move your neck. Give a beautiful smile, keeping your eyes closed. Keeping your eyes closed, slightly move your lips. Slightly, just feel the touch of your lips. Move your ears, the eyebrows. Give a smile. Move your head slightly towards left and right. Just be aware of your whole body. Slightly get comfortable. Slightly move a little bit more. Now we are at the end part of the Yoga Nidra. Just be aware of your complete body. Be aware of your surrounding. You can move on one side of your body, either left or right, preferably maybe right. Get settled. Start moving your body to the next level. Slightly more. And when you are comfortable, you can just sit without opening your eyes. Sit, be comfortable. Rub your both the palms. Rub your face. Give some heat to your face. And when you are really comfortable, just open your eyes with a good and great smile. Good. This completes our scientific Yoga Nidra. Have a wonderful day and a great life ahead. Namaste.